Have you ever wondered why we hiccup? Hiccups happen because of sudden, involuntary contractions of the diaphragm, the muscle just below your lungs that helps you breathe. When the diaphragm contracts unexpectedly, it causes you to suck air into your throat very quickly. This sudden inflow of air hits your voice box, causing your vocal cords to close rapidly and produce the hic sound we all know. But what triggers these contractions? It could be anything from eating or drinking too quickly, consuming carbonated beverages, sudden temperature changes, or even being excited or stressed. Sometimes hiccups happen for no clear reason at all. Usually, they go away on their own, but holding your breath or drinking water slowly can help stop them. Hiccups are generally harmless, but persistent hiccups lasting over 48 hours could indicate an underlying medical issue and might need medical attention. So, next time you hiccup, you'll know it's just your diaphragm having a little spasm.